So, how you feeling?
This is very exciting. Thank you all for being here this afternoon. This is it's a great event for us, and we're so thankful that we have this opportunity to talk about this cabin and what we see going forward. So thanks again.
So let's talk a little bit about the regional aircraft momentum. It's been a little bit more than 2 years that you and your team have been diving into your regional aircraft programs. First of all, why 2 years ago? And more importantly, what were some of the takeaways that you ended up with?
Well, first of all, it starts with a market opportunity. So if we look the next 20 years out, there's a tremendous opportunity for the CRJ in particular, over 3,000 aircraft that we see around the world, and that's the opportunity, so that's where it starts. Q400 on the turboprop side, 2,500. So if you put that together in the regional business, that's over 5,000 aircraft. So over 2 years ago, we started thinking, what do we need to start doing to really respond to what the industry is looking for, not only from a passenger point of view, but what are our airline customers looking for as well.
Looks like you guys have the right strategy. It's looking like it's very positive. Talk to us a little about the results and some of the feedback you've seen thus far.
Well, I actually got to participate on the road show where we took a mock-up of this interior out to our customers, and it was viewed and quoted by many of the industry leaders as game-changing for regional aircraft. So it's exciting. Obviously, we'll show you it afterwards, and we're excited about that. But the feedback and what you're going to see is a direct response to what our customers are looking for, both our airlines and our traveling passengers that fly on those airlines.
They say that 80% of travel globally in 20 years from now will be intra-regional. Bombardier is synonymous with innovation and being on the forefront of it. How important is it? I mean, for most companies, you will try and want that to make that as a priority, but in your case, how important is it for you to stay cutting edge with your products and really stay innovative?
Well, this industry is pretty diverse, and the larger aircraft get a lot of attention, but the real workhorses in the industry are the smaller aircraft, the regionals that are serving that need that you talked about. So 80% is really intra-regional, and these airplanes fit that need. So, obviously being in the forefront of that, a history of doing that at Bombardier, we invented the regional jet phenomenon that has been so successful. It's in our DNA, it's what we do, and we are so excited to bring the CRJ, which you saw the world leader, with a world-leading cabin for a regional aircraft, and it's fantastic to be here today to do that.
I'm going to put you on the spot here, Mr. Cromer, in front of all of our VIP guests that we have. Is the Atmosfab cabin coming to the Q400?
It's a great question. So, we had a lot of learning when we developed the C Series, now known as the A220. That learning and the surveys that we did with our customers led to what we're going to show you today in the CRJ. And certainly as we talk to our customer base and evolve the Q400, we'll think about and study what makes the most sense for that customer base. So again, just remind you, it's a direct response to what passengers are looking for, what our industry customers, the airlines, are looking for, not only just in passenger comfort, but being able to deliver a value proposition and greater profitability. So that's what it's all about. Stay tuned on the Q400. Today we're talking about the CRJ.
I had a feeling we wouldn't get a yes or no answer on that one for some reason. Last but not least, one word to describe the Atmosfab cabin, in your opinion.
2 words. Game changing.
Game changing. You're a game changer up here. Thank you very much for taking that.
Thank you very much.